The following operator training video is for the Hobart FT1000e Low Energy Series Flight Type Dish Machine. Auto Clean when equipped. Auto Clean should be used as a midday quick cleaning of the dish machine. A manual cleaning is still required at the end of each day to deep clean the machine. To perform the Auto Clean procedure, complete the following steps. Press the blue Auto Clean button located on the control box keypad. The display will briefly show press stop key at any time to abort auto clean cycle. Before proceeding to the next step, close master drain. Open all tank drains at the bottom of each tank. The display will read tanks draining. Please wait a few seconds. Clean and replace strainer baskets. Open wash arm sliders. Close doors. Press enter when done. For machines equipped with automatic soil removal, clean and replace the soil collector standpipe and strainer pan. No additional user intervention required. Auto Clean will take approximately 26 minutes. At this time, the machine is in the self-cleaning mode. Wash pumps will run to flush food soil from wash arms, and then Auto Clean nozzles located at the rear of each chamber will wash each section. The machine will be ready to begin normal operation or will automatically shut down after the cycle is complete. Once the Auto Clean cycle is complete, the display will read Auto Clean Complete. Press Enter key to refill. Otherwise, machine will power down in 60 seconds. If the operator does not press any key, the machine will power down after the set amount of time designated by the Energy Saver mode, which is adjustable in the Manager menu of the controls. After pressing Stop to exit Energy Saver mode, user will be returned to the Auto Clean in Progress screen to be prompted to complete steps to begin normal operation. To complete the steps to begin operation once the Auto Clean cycle has ended, press Enter on the control keypad display as prompted. The machine will display the following. Open Master Drain. Open the master drain valve located at either the load or unload end of the machine. Close tank drains. Close all tank drains located at the bottom of each tank. Machine will begin filling for normal operation. Pressing the back button at any time during the Auto Clean process will cancel the Auto Clean cycle. The display will read Auto Clean Cycle Canceled. Follow instructions to prepare for washing. This has been the operator training video for the Hobart FT1000e Series Flight Type Dish Machine. If you have further questions, consult your operation manual. Visit our website at www.hobartcorp.com or contact your Hobart representative.